Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will give you a demo to an interesting POC I did where I have generated audio or speech from a sample text using a machine learning model named Spark TTS 0.5b, which is in front of you right now. Before going to the demo, I'll just quickly show you the important bits so that you don't have to waste too much time. So if you come down to this part, the script, so this text, this prompt text and this speech path was a bit confusing for me initially. So this text is the text which will be converted from the text to speech by the LLM. Now, if the LLM needs to use your own voice, then we have to provide these two things. So number one is a sample text and the sample text's speech which I recorded with my voice. So if I provide these two and give a new text to synthesis, other things will be same, like the save directory where it will be saved. Then it will generate a speech. That's it. Now if I come to our sample text, let's play the generated audio. This brings us to our next point. Leveraging pre-trained models as feature extractors. Picture a pre-trained model as a highly skilled assistant who's already done most of the heavy lifting. Instead of starting over, you can plug this assistant into your workflow and focus on fine-tuning their skills for your specific needs. For example, if you're working on a computer vision task, you might use a pre-trained model to extract features from images and then train a smaller model on top of those features. This approach works wonders, especially when you don't have a ton of labeled data. Yep, I think that's it for now. I'll be exploring more interesting stuff and create demos for you. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you for watching. Bye.